What's the meaning of alkane? Alkane. 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 Alkane.
An alkane is a type of hydrocarbon molecule that consists only of hydrogen and carbon atoms bonded together in a straight or branched chain. It is an organic compound that is characterized by its low reactivity and lack of functional groups, meaning it does not readily participate in chemical reactions. In terms of physical properties, alkanes are generally nonpolar, have low melting and boiling points, and are typically gases or liquids at room temperature. They are commonly used as fuels and lubricants, and are also important building blocks for the synthesis of other organic compounds.